You have probably heard about machine learning, but you are not exactly sure how to use it in the context of GIS. You want to get to know about machine learning algorithms that are used in GIS. Then this course is for you. The field of artificial intelligence has progressed rapidly in recent years, matching or in some cases even overperforming human accuracy at tasks such as image recognition, reading comprehension, and translation text. And the main aim of this course is to introduce you to the concept of machine learning and how to apply it for the GIS and spatial data analysis. The intersection of artificial intelligence and GIS is creating massive opportunities that weren't possible before. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning are helping us to make the world better by helping, for example, to increase crop yield through precision agriculture, fight crime by deploying predictive policing models, and predict when the next big storm will hit and being better equipped to handle it. My name is Kate Allison, and I am a remote sensing and GIS expert with 10+ years experience in these topics. I also teach and train people on GIS and give regularly courses at different parts of the world. And today I am delighted to introduce you to these interesting topics. GIS is an important part of our daily life. In this course, we will learn with you the main important concepts to understand GIS and its applications, as well as we will cover basics of remote sensing as vector and raster data are the main inputs for machine learning algorithms. Then we will cover topics related to machine learning and artificial intelligence in geographic information systems. We will talk about types of machine learning and its applications in GIS. You will learn about unsupervised and supervised learning and how to apply it to the satellite images with the open source software tools, such as QGIS and Erath Toolbox. I will also show you advantages of using cloud computing for supervised learning on cloud using Google Erath Engine. We are going to talk about different machine learning algorithms such as random forest, decision trees, support vector machines, neural networks, and others. We will also cover object-based image analysis, segmentations, and predictive modeling in GIS. I will equip you with a list of GIS software packages that you can use to get started with using machine learning for GIS analysis. I will provide you with hands-on examples of applications of machine learning in QGIS. Namely, we will learn how to do segmentation in QGIS with Erath Toolbox. Finally, we will do image classifications using both QGIS and Google Erath Engine, and I will demonstrate to you a power of cloud-based computation using Google Erath Engine platform. I will also provide resources needed to complete these assignments. I will also talk about a road ahead and highlight new developments in the field of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and GIS. On completion of this course, you will be equipped with both theoretical and practical knowledge and skills to start using machine learning algorithms for geospatial tasks using open source tools.